Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are wondering how to make these beautiful and colorful backgrounds which makes your overall hand lettered text more appealing and attractive, well, this video is for you. This can be created by using many techniques, but what I am going to show you today is perhaps the most easy as well as economical, and most importantly, literally anyone can do it, even if you are not related to any sort of art form. So with this, I am Abhay, you are watching Abhay Calligraphy. Let's get started. So what you need are a watercolor sheet, a masking tape, brush pens. I am using Camlin Brush Pens as they are easily available, but you can use others as well, and a brush. You can also use aqua brush in place of this, and a Ziploc. So using these things, we are going to create a perfect watercolor background. So first of all, what we are going to do is masking the edges of this watercolor sheet. The sheet I am using is of Brustro brand and is actually 220 GSM sheet. I would suggest you to use thick sheets for this purpose, maybe higher than 220 GSM. Masking tape is easily available in nearby carpentry shops. You can also use washi tape. You will get to know why masking is very essential in the later part of the video. So this is how masking is done. Now take out that Ziploc and make these type of swatches of brush pens. Now I have used these 4 brush pens, but you can use any other color combination. There is no restriction over that, and you can draw in any pattern you like. So let your creativity flourish and you can experiment on your own. Alright, so I'm using these, and that's how it's done. Now in the next step, you have to make that watercolor sheet wet. So you can use any other brush for that purpose, but since this will speed up the process, I am using this one. Take out that Ziploc and invert it over that watercolor sheet like this, and you have to press these colors outwards so that it will spread to the sheet completely. So while you are doing this process, you might realize that wrinkles are developing in the watercolor sheet. So that is completely fine. We will deal with that later. You can remove that Ziploc once you are satisfied that the colors have completely covered the sheet. We are gonna leave it to dry further, and once it gets completely dry, remove the masking tape carefully. This is actually the most satisfying part of this whole process. And after removing the masking tape, put the sheet under the books for around 5 to 10 minutes to remove all the wrinkles, and then it will be ready to write anything over it. this is it guys in this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more of this kind of stuff. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Follow me over Instagram to see more calligraphy related stuff. My Instagram ID is abhay_calligraphy. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.